Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Social, where we make tech easy for you. Want to give someone admin powers on your Telegram group or channel? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Navigate to the group or channel where you want to add an admin. Next, access group channel info. Tap on the group or channel name at the top to open the details. Step 3. Go to Administrators. Next, click on the Edit option or the three-dot menu depending on your device. Then select Administrators. Step 4. Add a new admin. Tap on Add Admin and select the user you want to promote. Set permissions. Now choose what permissions they should have. You can allow them to manage messages, ban users, pin messages, and more. Save changes. Once you're happy with the settings, tap the checkmark or save button. And that's it. Congrats, you've just added a new admin to your Telegram group or channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.